Hold the shelf, squeeze both springs inward, and pull the shelf out. To reinstall the shelf, squeeze the springs and release them to secure the pins in the holes. Rotate the front feet to adjust the product to the desired height or to level it. If you wish to use the ice or water function, connect the machine to the potable water supply by a professional technician before use. Once the refrigerator is operating normally, the ice maker will begin making ice. After initial power on, cold water will be available in about 5 hours, and ice cubes or crushed ice in about 12 hours. Before first use, discard the first few batches of ice. Pull out and lift the ice storage box to remove it. After cleaning, lift the front to insert it, then lower and push it in. Ensure that the thermal insulation cover on the dispenser is removed when using the ice or water function. After powering on, press any button to wake up the control panel. Press the refrigerator temperature adjustment button to lower the temperature from 30 to Fahrenheit to 43 Fahrenheit. At 30 to Fahrenheit, press again to activate Super Fridge mode and the icon will light up on the display. Then press once more to cycle back to 43 Fahrenheit. Press the freezer temperature adjustment button to set the temperature from -10 Fahrenheit to 5 Fahrenheit. At -10 Fahrenheit, press again to activate Super Freezer mode and the icon will light up on the display. Then press once more to cycle back to 5 Fahrenheit. Press and hold the lock and lock button for 3 seconds to lock the control panel. When the control panel is locked, pressing any button will only flash the display and will not activate any function. Press and hold the lock and lock button again for 3 seconds to unlock the control panel. You can then press the buttons to adjust the settings as desired. Press the ice crushing button to light up the icon. Place your cup against the ice dispenser and hold the discharge button to dispense crushed ice. And you can use the same method to dispense cubed ice and ice water. Press and hold the ice maker on-off button for 3 seconds to turn off the ice making function. The ice off icon will light up on the display. Press and hold the ice maker on-off button again for 3 seconds to activate the ice making function, and the ice off icon will turn off. Press and hold the refrigerator temperature adjustment button for about 10 seconds to deactivate the refrigerator compartment, and the display will show to dashes. Press and hold the same button again for 10 seconds to reactivate the refrigerator compartment. When the door is open for above 1 minute, the buzzer will alarm. After the door is closed, an alarm sound will stop automatically. After 165 days of use, the filter replacement reminder icon will flash. To remove the filter, attach the cover first. Rotate and take down the filter as shown. Install the new filter and tighten. Install the cover. After replacing the filter, press the ice water button for more than 5 seconds. The icon will extinguish.